So here's the indexing pin that I bought to replace the screw in the rolling packout. See, it pulls back and it's got this slot here. Now it's not a locking one, but I think I can make it into one. I think I can cut a small groove in there so that I can twist it and have that kind of sit. As it is now, it's not going to. So let's try this out. Alright, let's see how we did. There, that kind of locks pretty well. Let's do a little bit deeper lock groove. There. Now it locks in that position. Okay, so I've removed the screw and removed the handle, and now I'm going to drill and tap this hole in plastic. And since this is plastic, I'm not going to use a standard 1/4-20 drill bit. I'm going to use one size smaller. I'm going to go real slow and try to get it nice and... And all this makes for absolutely enthralling video, but hopefully this won't take too long. Alright, that's probably tapped pretty well. Alright, I added a jam nut on here to adjust the distance, and let's screw this in. I might need to grab a pliers real quick. Well, maybe not. So I think that's where I want it. So you can see down in there the pin's just sticking down. So let's try the handle. Lift that up, lock that, slide that down. Let's see if that index is into there. There it's indexing, but I don't think the hole is big enough. So let's grab the other one. And yeah, it's just a little bit. All right, so I measured this, and I think a 5/32 drill bit will work just fine. First thing I got to do is get that out of the way so I don't accidentally drill through that. And that's a pretty tight fit. Just ream it out just a hair. Okay, let's see how we did. Of course, if this doesn't line up exactly, I might have to drill just a slightly bigger hole. Oh, look at that. It lines up exactly. So now I can't move it. Pull the pin. I can remove it. So let me do the other one, and look at that. So you can put that down and release that, and then just slide up, and it pops into position. That's just perfect. Again, let me try the other one, and I'll show you the result. All right, so I added and tightened jam nuts on both sides, and I got this side all installed. So let's see how it works. Slide the camera in there. So I got both my hands. So when I want to put the handle in, put those into the up position. Push the handle all the way down. Put those into the spring position, and then slowly pull up on the handle. There, they both locked. Now that handle is in there. And then when I want to take the handle out, I lift both the pins up. Handle comes out just that easy. Again, replace, stick it past a little bit, and then pull back until it locks. There we go. Perfect.